This is Phil Frame in for Art Jarrett. This was a situation a few hours ago. The fog was rolling into the Salinas Valley around sunset. Now, as we take a look at the situation over the last 24 hours, another nice-looking weather system. It's got all the elements. It's got lots of moisture. It's got nice rotation, good, strong-looking cold front, except it's going to fall apart as it approaches us because most of the energy is going to be carried away by the jet stream. So for today, we're just going to get partly cloudy skies and slightly cooler conditions, and that's it for us. This is Phil Frame in for Art Jarrett, and this was a situation earlier today looking down upon the Salinas Valley. We have a couple of layers of clouds. These are from the warm waters of the Pacific, hundreds of miles away, and these are from our shores, from the cold waters just off the coast. We had quite a bit of weather in Salinas this morning, but things have quieted down. I will tell you how long it's going to last and a quick look at our weekend forecast coming right up.
Hot shots now. You're looking at a zebra that broke loose from a circus and caused some traffic backup in Atlanta. The zebra went across downtown Atlanta, ending up on the highway, as you see there. Police responded, keeping it on the side of the road until a trailer pulled up to take the zebra home. Not something you see every day, but thank goodness, right, Phil, that nothing happened to it. That's on the highway. Could have been disastrous.
But you know what? He was just horsing around. I don't think it was a big deal at all.
Good one, Phil. All right.
Sorry about that.
We'll let that one slide. We're going to check the forecast again.
Now, KSBW weather.
This is Phil Frame in for Carl Thormeyer. This is the view in Monterey. Skies are clear, although we do have a few high clouds, and the waters, they are very calm, almost like a mirror. Now, temperature in Monterey is currently 68 degrees. That's being helped by that east wind at 8. That humidity, it's bone dry, 18% currently. And around the area, well, most places are in the 50s, although Paso Robles is 44. And these are some high clouds. We don't see any fog just yet. This is a situation 24 hours ago out over the eastern Pacific. Another vigorous-looking weather system is running into the high pressure that's been over our area, and that high pressure has been giving us the offshore winds, which has been making our temperatures so warm, along with the low humidity. Now that's going to change. We do have some onshore winds developing offshore, and they're going to make their way in today, later today. Until then, though, it's going to be sunny and warm, very similar to what it was yesterday. Now, we do have some big changes over the next few days. This is the warm, dry air that's been over us and is over us right now. We expect to see that weaken, move out of the way, and then be replaced by an upper level low pressure area, cold upper level low from western Canada. And with that, we can expect to see showers all the way down, possibly to southern California. Doesn't look like we're going to get much, but we could see some snow in the Sierra down to 6,500 feet. And then after Wednesday, the thing kicks out and we start to see the jet stream move north. With that, we should see our temperatures warm up at least a little bit. Now, as far as today goes, you can see currently we're looking at a pretty much total offshore flow condition. The winds are almost universally coming from the land to the sea, but that's going to change, and by 2 p.m. this afternoon, we're going to get a pretty good onshore flow. This is sooner and stronger than yesterday, so I think we're going to see temperatures get cut off at that point. And then by Tuesday morning, it looks like we'll even see some fog and low clouds, at least briefly, before they get mixed out by that upper level disturbance. Now, for the San Francisco Bay Area today, it's going to be a little bit cooler, still pretty nice, some high clouds, highs in the 80s, just a bit cooler in the Santa Clara Valley today with a few high clouds and temperatures in the 80s. And likewise, here in the Salinas Valley, temperatures in the 80s, a few high clouds, and these are about a degree or two cooler than they were yesterday. And for the Monterey Bay Area, another beautiful day. Temperatures in the 80s, a few high clouds, a bit cooler, a fantastic day to go sailing if you like the winds low and you like the seas to be low as well. And for the Santa Cruz County area today, temperatures will be just a bit cooler, 80s to near 90 with a few high clouds. And then for tomorrow, we're going to see those onshore winds increase. We'll see high clouds again, and it will be cooler everywhere. And then we're going to drop temperatures even further Tuesday, and even cooler than that on Wednesday with a chance of showers. And that goes for the coast as well as the inland areas. Wednesday looks to be the coolest day. Then we start to rebound Thursday Friday and Saturday.
All right, now if it does rain, it's looking like it's going to be just a few sprinkles, right? Nothing
right now, because the center of the low pressure area is forecast to be to the east of us. Now, if that changes and it goes to the west of us, it could pick up some more moisture. Right now, that doesn't look like it's going to happen.
Okay, all right. Thanks, Phil.
Sure.
Good morning, Phil.
Good morning, Michelle. And this is the view from Fremont Peak. It is really clear, unusually so for this type of weather situation. Temperature, well, here in Salinas now, it is ticked down to 42 degrees. We're getting an easterly wind. Pretty common, although temperatures are a little milder than you would expect for this time of the year. Now, we're also watching the development of some fog and low clouds offshore. This is being driven by a weather system that is currently in the Pacific Northwest and is moving toward us. And if we pull back and take a look at it, this is what it looked like 24 hours ago. We were seeing some shower activity up into the Pacific Northwest, and the front has been slowly sagging southward. We'll get some clouds and just a slight chance of showers. Really nothing significant on the rain front from this, but what is significant is where this is coming from. This is an unusual weather system because the front is coming straight down from the north. It's being followed by a very cold, very dry Canadian Arctic air mass. Now today we're going to start to cool off, but that cooling trend is going to continue right on through Thursday, and by Thursday morning we're looking at widespread freezing, hard freezing temperatures in the area. And this is what our futurecast is showing. Here is the cold air mass. By Thursday it is going to be right over us, and with the clear skies we're probably going to see a lot of places hit records. The last time we had a pattern similar to this was in January of 2007. It got down to 22 degrees here in Salinas, 17 in King City. So we'll have to keep you posted. Now, on Friday, we're seeing some shower activity develop. Most of this is going to be in the form of snow because the air is so cold. We'll see how much of that sticks together and makes it down here. If it does stick together, we're going to see snow at very low elevations Friday night and Saturday. For San Francisco, for the Bay Area, expect temperatures in the 60s. These are actually cooler than what they had yesterday. It's also going to be cooler, but still very mild for this time of the year in the Santa Clara Valley. And here in the Salinas Valley, cooler, but still above normal. Highs mid-60s to low 70s. And for the Monterey Bay Area today, it is going to be cooler, but still above normal for this time of the year. And for the Santa Cruz County area, cooler, but still very nice. 60s under mostly sunny skies next 7 days. Look at those low temperatures. A lot of teens in the cooler parts of the Salinas Valley Thursday morning. And then for the highs, well, they start to look like our lows should. As we get toward the end of the week, it is going to be cold beginning Wednesday and in some places on Tuesday.